Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Find in Page feature on Google Chrome mobile versions. So if you want to search or find a specific text, specific a object's image, you can do it by tap on three dots at the top of your screen. Here you can tap on Find in Page. So you can write, maybe you want to search the year 1934, and here we go. The Google Chrome will directly find, guide you into 1934 or specific word or text that you type on the top of your screen here. Another example here, and also here. So you can try to search manually, move manually like this. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the button below. See you in the next video.